It has moments and memories of these that we wouldn't have ever seen otherwise. Here is a brochure as a paper guide of today's happening and whereabouts of the various pieces that relate to our claim. I will give you a few minutes to read it over. Kindly keep your phone shut until after the tour. Please keep your children quiet. Any or all questions should be entertained once I am completed with my tour. Do not speak over any of the guides. No exhibits are to be touched, thrown food and water at, or laughed at the humor at any point of time. Kindly give the guide all of your attention and then you will be given time to inspect every artifact or an exhibit. You are under CCTV surveillance from our very expert team, so please do not freak out. The found on any living being inside the premises. Screaming will be frowned upon, but hugs or even tears of joy are encouraged. Okay, अभी लोग पूरा भेज रहे हैं.
अच्छा अब ऐसा
Let us go back to the event again. In the year of 1969, on a very auspicious day of 8 July, a pleasant Wednesday, the royals of Jaipur were blessed with a beautiful white-tongued daughter, Rani Sheetal and Maharaja Girish Zaveri welcomed their firstborn with great celebrations and joy. The royal princess was named Dhwani, meaning sound or thunder, and surely she's always lived up to her name. The skies danced and the winds sang, welcoming a beautiful and intelligent albeit a little stubborn, hot-headed angel onto earth. Her presence brought a sense of happiness that the kingdom has not seen in ages. Early days, frolicking, achieving more than the common day in those times, while still being the source of sunshine in the town of Jaipur. Not only did she bring wealth and prosperity, she also brought huge bills and high maintenance to her near and dear ones from a rather young age. She also grew up too fast. Our exhibit is rather an interesting one. I will hand over the next part of the tour to my colleague and she will guide you further. I hope you have a pleasant time with my service and I wish you a very happy birthday, Queen.
Good evening and welcome to the second installment of your A1 quality tour of this A1 museum based in Madagaskar. I will gladly answer your queries once I have completed my part, but till then I'd appreciate if I was the only one talking. As you see in front of you, this is the map of achievements. This is the living proof of the transition from the title of a princess to that of a queen. Princess Gauri, who also soon took the role of the elder sister to Veer Aryan, her younger brother, was the idol in all rooms of life. As the modern day kids put it, she has been #goals from day one. As we have established before, she was an overachiever from her toddler years, and that is clearly depicted on the map. It starts with her bragging the role of a monitor in the second grade, which is huge in that age. She studied for 8 years in Rustomjee, Cambridge, an institute that counts itself grateful to be the alma mater of a leader. During that period, she managed to become the world topper in the subject of mathematics, a title of prestige and immense pride. She also succeeded in conquering hearts of her followers, mesmerizing them with the beauty and intelligence that she held, and also breaking a few of them.
also love for you to keep these letters by the Queen's 3 main followers, which are made with a lot of love of good wishes. Need a box of tissues? Definitely ask. As our Queen did when she saw this. That's you only. So you may look at this with ease and time when we prepare for the felicitation program.